So,
Okay.
Jason, ever since you joined COA, what was the best thing that you got? What was the most valuable for you?
Oh, the most valuable thing is direction and a plan. I feel like I finally have like a step-by-step plan versus just kind of like trying to figure stuff out on my own, right? So, I mean, yes, also people into the program, but I mean, this was my big thing coming into this year was just trying to, as you know, get out of done for you services, not completely out of it, but at least start to replace my income. And I really didn't have a solid way of doing that until, until COA, really. Yeah.
Okay, amazing. And from all the support that you got, like Facebook, sales, systems, the tech stuff in
Mhm.
general, getting your offer ready, what would you say was your most favorite?
The most favorite, I would probably say, well, I have a couple. The systems, setting up the click funnels and having that go to active campaign with the automated email sequence, like that's been amazing because I didn't really know how to do that before. Um, and then, gosh, I don't know, it's kind of a lot of things because the sales aspect of it, because I'd never really done any type of sales before, so it was a completely different mentality to switch from, doing designs and branding and all that stuff to, oh wait, now I have to like be a salesperson and and get on the phone with people and do it. So it's been challenging. It hasn't been easy for me, but I like that I'm growing in that area. I know I'll eventually get better at it. So I'd
Mhm.
probably say those two things. Yeah.
Amazing. And how does it feel now to have the ability to close on the phone and sell clients in your program?
I feel way more confident now. And that feels great because if you would have told me that a few months ago, I'd be like, I don't know if I can do that. But I'm still working at it. I'm still not like amazing at it, but I'm feeling a lot more loose, a lot more comfortable, kind of joking around with them and I kind of lighten things up. Whereas at first I was like very robotic and trying to like make sure I stick to the script. So, but now that I kind of know it in my head a little bit, I can freestyle it a little bit. So I'm getting better. Not there yet, but it's going in the right direction.
Beautiful, Jason. And one last question. What would you say to someone that just wants to join COA right now and they're on the edge? What would you recommend them?
I would say if you want a game plan, right, a proven system that works, because I see everybody around me doing it, and then I see it's starting to happen for myself. Um, I would say go ahead and do it. Like it's worth the investment. You're gonna make the money back, and then you're gonna learn those skills like moving forward, for whatever business you want to do in the future. Like a lot of those skills translate, the automation, the sales skills, like all of that stuff translates. So I would say
Amazing.
do it. Yeah.
Let's do it, Jason. 100%.